Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a quick, easy and instant healthy Rava Dosha recipe made with easily available ingredients. This Rava Dosha does not contain curd or buttermilk, a perfect meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner. This Rava Dosha can be made in just under 10 minutes. A perfect healthy meal for office goers, bachelors and PG students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make instant Rava Dosha, I have already grated 1 cucumber, finely chopped 2 green chilies. Green chilies you can increase or decrease to suit your taste. Half of an onion, finely chopped. Now this is the size of the cucumber I used. Into a bowl, I am adding in the grated cucumber. Don't discard the water from the cucumber. So I am just adding in the water into the bowl. Add in the green chilies, chopped onion. I am grating in a small piece of ginger. One-third teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. 1/3 teaspoon black pepper powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Turmeric not only helps to give a nice flavor but also helps to boost your immunity. Always remember to add in little bit of black pepper powder when you are using turmeric, as black pepper helps to assimilate turmeric faster into your body. Next I am adding in 3 sprigs of fresh curry leaves for that extra iron and folate. So what I have done is I have gathered the curry leaves and I am just slicing it so that you get really small pieces of the curry leaves. Curry leaves is a good source of iron and folate, hence I prefer to use them in my recipes. However, if you don't have access to fresh curry leaves, you can use coriander leaves, you can even use fresh moringa leaves or even a little bit of palak leaves for that extra greens. Next I am adding in about 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. So I added 3 heaped tablespoons of grated coconut. And lastly I am adding in 1 cup of roasted rava. So this is a very quick, easy and instant Rava Dosha. You don't need any fermentation. And one more thing, I am not using any milk or curd or buttermilk in this recipe. And now with my hand, I am just mixing all this really well. So the moisture released from the cucumber is helping the rava to get mixed into the ingredients. Next I am adding in half cup of water and again I am mixing this up. Another half cup of water. So total I used 1 cup of water. And now I am going to rest it for about 2 minutes. The idea is to get the rava absorbed by the moisture. So cover and let it rest for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, as you can see, the rava has absorbed some of the moisture and the batter has come into a spreadable consistency. The batter is neither too thick nor too thin. It's of spreadable consistency. Now to make Rava Dosha, I am heating my cast iron tawa, and once the tawa is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and drizzle in half teaspoon desi ghee. And I am just taking 1 handful of the rava mix. Spread it out as thinly as possible. So be very careful not to burn your fingers. Remember, the tawa is hot and is on low flame. You can even use a spoon to help it spread. Now don't make it into a large dosha. A medium sized dosha is perfect for this recipe. If you make a large size dosha, the dosha may crack when you flip it over. So this size would be ideal. Drizzle in half teaspoon desi ghee. Little bit of desi ghee on the sides as well. If you want to make this vegan, you can use wood pressed coconut oil or wood pressed groundnut oil or mustard oil or any wood pressed oil which you can locally source instead of desi ghee. Cover and let it cook for about 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, open the lid and carefully flip it over. Let it cook on this side as well for about 2 minutes on low flame. And after 2 minutes, just flip it over and my quick and easy instant rava dosha is ready to serve. Transfer to a plate. I'm serving the rava dosha with the lemon pickle. You can serve rava dosha with any homemade pickle of your choice. You don't need any side dish to serve the rava dosha. So that is the best thing about this rava dosha. Let me also show you how soft this rava dosha is. And for each dosha, I used a total of 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. Desi ghee helps to assimilate vitamins and minerals faster into your body, especially fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, K, E and D. So try to use a good healthy fat like desi ghee or any wood pressed oil in your diet. This rava dosha will stay soft once it has cooled down. So it's also an ideal lunchbox meal. So guys, do try this recipe and send me pictures on Facebook and on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.